Hello everybody, welcome back to Creative Retreat Street. Today we are going to be using Dollar Tree napkins. So I ended up getting these wood cutouts, bunny and a egg shape. I'm getting some Mod Podge and I picked up some floral napkins from the Dollar Tree. What you want to do here is just put on a thin layer of Mod Podge. And then what I like to do is I like to just line up the napkin. You do want to take the white part off. You want it very thin. Line up the napkin how you want your design. I'll be honest with everybody, I don't really mind if it does have a little bit of lines through it. I like that rusted look. You can paint the egg white if you would like it to be lighter. Paint it whatever color you want. I did not. I like the wood look, so I just decided to just place the napkin over it. I also decided to do the same thing with the bunny, but I did use a different napkin for this one. And then you see here, I just add another layer on top of the Mod Podge. You want to be very careful here. I did not wait until it dried. I just did it as soon as I placed the napkin. So be very careful so that way you don't rip the napkin. Now for this one, I did have the carrot cut out. I decided to actually paint this first. So I did get some orange. I got that from Walmart. I'm just doing one layer. Again, I like the wood look, so I decided to keep that. I did decide to paint the sides all the way around. And then I ended up picking up some green from the Dollar Tree. I don't know why I do, because it's very, very thin. You have to do multiple layers. So I do not know why I continue using it, but I decided to use it. Again, it did not turn out bad at all. I like that wood look, so, and I did do all around the carrot top as well. Did add another layer of the Mod Podge. I hurry up and did that just because the green still wasn't dry. If this is your first time here at this channel, I would like to say welcome. I do like to do seasonal DIYs, any kind of DIYs. If you are coming back, thank you for coming back. And tell me what you think in the comments below. What do you think about these DIYs? So here I just have a little nail file. I think that is easier just to cut away essentially from the napkin and the edge. I did pick up some of the pearls from the Dollar Tree as well. And basically, I'm just using hot glue. You can use something like E6000. I decided not to. Just to see how it goes. If they start popping off, then I'm going to have to redo it. But for now, they're still working pretty good. But basically, I just use these as a border. I absolutely loved how this turned out, and it matched my decor perfectly. Now here you're going to see the struggle is a little bit real. It did not want to fit, and then a couple of them popped off. So you'll see I'll struggle a little bit here, but it's okay. Absolutely loved how this DIY turned out, and it was so easy to do. Now we're going to move on to the second DIY. I ended up picking up these eggs at the thrift store for like $1 each. I did find some at the Dollar General as well. So what I decided to do is actually I did paint that white. I am using Waverly white paint, pastel paint. Again, I'm doing a thin layer of Mod Podge, and I did pick up this napkin set at the Dollar Tree as well. You will see throughout this video here that I just did little by little. You see I started with the top here just because the egg is round. It's pretty difficult to try to get it without lines. So you're going to see me cut a lot here. See here that I am actually putting on the Mod Podge a little bit at a time and folding over that napkin just to kind of see how it lays. You see that I do trim off a lot. So just be very careful here. Again, you don't want to rip the napkin. And I did pick up these candle holders from the thrift store for like $1.99 each. And then what I did is I got some Rub and Buff. Listen, if you have not used this is amazing. And it lasts a very, very long time. So what I did is I just put Rub and Buff all over the candle holder. I do believe the color is Antique Gold. And then I had some leftover pearls. So what I decided to do is put a border at the bottom of my egg. You will see that I'm actually I place it and then I try to measure to see basically where it's at, consistent with the floor, essentially, the surface, because I don't want it to touch the surface and be holding it up, even though that is a good idea now that I look back at it. But you'll just see that I'm just kind of doing a border so that way it can match my little cutouts. Absolutely loved this DIY. It's very unique. I have not seen this in stores or anything. Very easy to do. Just let me know what you all think in the comments below. Thank you all for watching.